What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another banging video. And in today's video, we will be embroidering on the BabyLock Venture machine 10 needle. As you probably saw the previous video, which was the introduction to the 10 needle embroidery machine, we will be doing the Rick and Morty. I know you guys been waiting on it. So we will be doing the Rick and Morty. Also, I do have a giveaway going on. And if you read my post, you already know how to win. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So with the border of the hair, I just wanted to give it that outline effect, but I didn't want to go too deep as far as the thickness of it. So I just gave it a running stitch instead of a zigzag stitch. Now we are off to the next face, which will be Morty. So let's get that done, get that situated and out the way. And as always, guys, you know the routine. If you're still here watching, go ahead and do me a huge favor and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. But it helps out the channel greatly. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, everything is finished embroidering. Man, when I say this was a long stitch out, to be honest, it was 41 minutes. It seemed longer than that because I did have to do a couple of thread changes because there was so many different colors. Even though I got 10 colors to choose from, I made it more than that. So everything came out good. As you can see, the blinking light just telling you that it's done. So once I click OK, it'll stop blinking. Looks great, looks good. You know the routine. I am going to take it out the hoop, show you guys the final result. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and clip off and snip off a couple of these the strings and stitches and stuff that was hanging. So let me do that real quick, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Stay tuned. Bag it up real quick. Here we go, the final result. Let me know what you guys think. How did it come out? Looks good, looks great. A couple of portions I can fix up as far as some pull comp, but other than that, man, it's amazing. Go ahead down in the comment section as well and put, do you watch Rick and Morty? Put it down there right now. Put it down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. Would you like this hat? Would you buy it? Yes, no, maybe so. Looks great, looks good. Love it. Came out amazing. Great. So until next time, as always, once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. Yep. And I'm out. Peace.